Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse, and today we have a little bit of an emergency video. Not that this is anything very important, but apparently I haven't had an opportunity to make a video for you, so I have rolled back and I have made this emergency video for you to watch. I've probably made this months and months ago, but for some weird reason you're seeing it today. And we are gonna be having a look at this humidifier, ultrasonic humidifier, 20 watts. I have gotten this from my little brother. He thought that I needed that for Christmas, and I do, because even though my playhouse here is a big house and it has a well in the basement, and that is often flowed over, well, not recently, it's actually over a year since I've had any problems with it, but the house is dry as hell. It's like when you get up here, your nostrils will dry up. It's really good when you have a cold because your nose won't be dripping, but the rest of the time it's not a big advantage. So I have for years had a humidifier on my wish list for Christmas or birthday, and this year I got it. So we're gonna have a look at that. I actually tested it and was playing with it and thought, this is cool, we need to do a video. So this is why we're doing this video, because I thought it was cool. So that's reason enough for doing a video. This is a 100 volts to 240 volt, so it works all over the world, and it's from Germany. I would really expect that it was made in China. Yeah, it says here PRC made, People's Republic of China. So it's made in China, but it's sold through this company in Germany, but it has been bought here in Denmark, I'm sure. I'm actually not sure. Over here is an English title for it, and Huchi. On the other side there's a German title for it. So there is that. So I took it out of the box because I was playing with it, and I just put the box back together so that I could show it. It has a lot of awesome features here, but we don't want to see those. I want to show you the humidity in my house here, because I actually have a couple of weather stations. Well, they show the temperature and stuff, so let's go visit those and you can see how bad it is. So I have a weather station here. It can actually light up there, blue. And over here it says the humidity is 43%, and it has a bad smiley. That's not a good thing. Even though I think 43%, that's not that bad. In here at my bedroom I have another one. This is really hard to see, but it says 27% humidity, and it's also 28, and it's also telling me that's not very nice. So what I often do is I take one of these metal thingies for putting food in and put some water in and put it on the radiator. This means that the water will heat up and it will evaporate, and it helps. It really does. It does help. So what came in the box? Empty box. This is one of the units, or this is the unit itself, but it's missing the part where the water is in, and that's because I have already put water in that. Oops. It's this thing. The box says that it can handle, or there's room for 1.3 liters of water in this. So I've already had it in use, so we might just top it up. But that goes right here, like that. It looks really cool when it's in there. And this also uses power. So it came with a power adapter. This is 24 volts DC, and it's about 0.8 amps. Oh, it says 1 amp. Okay, so it's a 24 watt power supply. On the box it says it uses 20 watts, so there's a little bit more power in the power supply than is needed. Then it comes with manuals. Don't fill the water in here, put it in their manual, how to, well, more or less fill up this container and do it the right way, which is really nice. Oops, and there's a plastic thing there that goes up here. Then there's a very thick manual here in multiple languages that, well, yeah, cool. I'm gonna chop this off. So right over here next to the sink, just outside of view of the dirty dishes, I'm gonna open this up. It has like it's a valve thing that it closes really well. There's some rubber seals that make sure that the water can't get out. So we're just gonna chop it off. I did put in all the water, but then I used it a little bit, and then I figured out I wanted to do a video about it. So yeah, now we gotta put that on. So now it doesn't drip when I put it upside down, and when it hits the other unit, it will press down on that thing and then it will open up for the water. So let's go do that. So that thing goes down here. Have to line it up a little bit and let it slide in. And you can hear the water from the reservoir going down into this part of it. Then it has a LED here. This is more or less, you can decide where it's gonna let out steam. So we're gonna put that in there. And so now we need to put in this adapter to get our power. We'll put that in, 240 volts here. We have power there, and we can pop that in. When I did that last time, it gave me a little beep. You heard the little beep. And when you watch this box, there's kind of no buttons on it, except there's a little button here, and you can press that. And it starts right away. Look at the smoke coming out here. That is water vapor. Can you see that at all? Yeah, you can. You can also see the camera over here. We could turn off the lights. And I can kind of direct this different ways. If it doesn't matter much really. I don't know if we can take this off. Yeah, it's easier to see that it's doing something. But yeah, it's so yeah, you can see it's doing something, but I can press it again. And I believe it does even more than. And when I press it again, it will turn off. So there is that. I thought that was cool. Turn it on. And it will do its vapor thing. We'll give it one more. It will do even more. And one more. Turn it off. So should you go get one of these? I have no idea. I just got mine, so I can't really recommend it yet, but I just thought it was really cool. It's it looks like it does what it's supposed to do, and that's pretty cool. So I will leave a link in the description for a humidifier. I don't know if it's gonna be this one. This one might only be available in Germany or in Europe, but there will be a link for humidifiers if this is something that you could be interested in. I have been interested in it for years, just never got around to it myself. So at some point I put it on my wish list, and this year I got it. So now I have to remove it from my wish list again so that I don't get too many. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.